Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today I have something exciting to talk about. I am going to dive into the world of e-commerce to explore a new Shopify app that could potentially change the way you run your online store. It's called Boardroom. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into its features and functionality to help you to decide if it right fit for your business. But before jump into it, make sure that you have clicked on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my future review and video tutorials. So let's get started. Okay, alright, so let's break down some of the key features and functionality of Boardroom. And right now we are on the Shopify official app store, and this is the Boardroom app, and we are going to check its functionality. So first of all, you can control your data and start in second. This is the most important things, that you can save your time by using Boardroom. Link unlimited store and add account into Boardroom's dashboard. Account setup take maximum 5 minutes and start measuring and maximizing net profit. Boardroom well trained by AI to analyze your e-commerce data, and it's provide meaningful recommendation that help you solve problem and grow your business. And another feature is instant AI blogging for SEO. Create, optimize and publish blog posts to Shopify instantly, assisted by AI, drive organic traffic, save time and increase sales. And blogging is most important part of digital marketing. Rank your store in the search engine like Google, and you can manage your inventory fast and easy than ever. And it's also help you maximize return on ad spend. Drill into the profitability of each platform, campaign, ad set and ads, scale back ineffective campaigns and reinvest in this with the greatest return. And finally, you can create custom report with Boardroom. Custom reports, you can monitor your business from your inbox and or share progress with your team. Okay, so now we are going to know about the price. Scroll down. Here's the details of pricing. You can start free trial for 14 days, and there are 3 plan: analytics, manager and director. In analytics, their monthly charge $14. So now let's talk about the user experience. In my time using Boardroom, I found the app easy to navigate and set up, intuitive in terms of creating customizing report, and very user friendly to creating and customizing report for non-technical and for business person, reliable and term of data accuracy. To sum it up, Boardroom is a robust analytics and reporting tools that can provide valuable insight for your Shopify store. Either it's optimizing your product offering, tracking customer behavior or analytics profitability, this app has a lot of offer. So if you have interested, then try Boardroom. I have left the app's link in the video description, and if you have any question, you can share your thought in the comment section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.